I hope you ain't ordering my money. You better not. Hey, you guys, welcome back to Diva Styles. Y'all, my husband in here messing with me, talking about he done bought a boatload of food. He better not did it on my card. But anywho, I want to show you guys this really quick craft, easy craft, fun for kids, and you can also sell this like in your stores. I'm just loving the way these things smell, but I made like a bunch of scratch and sniff stickers, you guys. These things smell so good, especially when you scratch them. The scent that I got right now is orange mango. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I just used the fragrance from Hobby Lobby, but y'all, smells so good. So we about to go ahead and get up in this craft. You guys let me know if you do this. You know, this would be great for like parties as well, and custom stickers, you know, like happy birthday, Najee. You can make it smell like bubble gum or cotton candy, especially if it's like a unicorn party. You know, just get creative with this. Yeah, and I will see you guys really soon. Okay, so for the scratch and sniff stickers, the supply list is pretty much simple. You can use, I'm going to use Mod Podge, but you can use regular school glue. That is fine, it works. And of course, you're going to need, boy. You are going to need some stickers. I have some here that I just printed out. But you can also use pictures, you know, pretty much whatever you want to use, you can use. I'm going to be using some of my essential oils that I have that I used to use for my soap, but you can also use, I've seen people use shampoos and body wash and perfume and, you know, all sorts of things. So feel free to get creative with that. Don't think there is a limit, because there's really not. And I'm going to be using mango and orange because those are like really strong smells. And pretty much all you're going to do is mix your smell good, your scent, in. I got my fan blowing. In your glue. I'm just going to add literally a drop of each one because this is some strong, powerful stuff. And I got this stuff right here from Hobby Lobby when I used to do my soaps. Oh my God, yes, that's very strong. I can smell that. Okay, and then all you're going to do is just go over each sticker with the scent, and when they go to scratch it, it's going to activate that smell, and you know they're going to be able to smell it, which I think is awesome. My kids are going to they're going to love it. Love it, love it, love it. So I'm just going to go ahead, add this on here. Oh my God, that is so strong. Add it on here and let it dry, and then I will be right back. Alright, so this is what they look like, all pretty much done. As you can see, also adding the glue on it gave it like a little bit of a gloss and shine. These things smell like really good. Even when you scratch it, yeah, these smell really good. Really good. So if you have any questions at all, or would like me to go into any further detail about this, please feel free to ask. And as always, I will see you guys very soon. Bye.